Okay, so you just take this and you slide this back this way just a little, turn it around, and you'll see there are 2 batteries that are CR2032s. And you just take a little fingernail, pop that out. Take your fingernail, pop this one out. Sometimes you might need to use something a little bit more than a fingernail, but it'll pry out with this little semicircle here. Take your new battery, put it right back in. And if you notice right here, there's a little stub out, and that's going to go in this. So when you put it back in, you just kind of find that little stub, slide it back over, and that's all you got to do.